can't stay out here for very long because it's raining, but I had to show you this. It's already starting to go away a little bit. There's a double rainbow, and it's beautiful. So now we have two. So now we have two nesting boxes. And it looks like they're happy about that. 1, 2. Oh, one's still warm. That's awesome. So we got 3 eggs so far today. Yesterday we had 4 out of 5 hens lay. Today, so far, we've had 3. Hey guys, I wanted to show you a little bit of us putting together some raised beds for our berries and grapes. They are going to be on the south side of our house, and technically the front yard, it's like the side front or whatever. I'm going to show you what I've got put together so far, and I'm going to also insert a little clip of us putting them together. That was yesterday, and I just didn't shoot an intro yesterday because I ended up going to my daughter's pre-K water day at school and got super sunburned and lost track of time, and filming just didn't happen.
It's a little tricky, let's go. Really, I just want to get the bottom part done first and then twist it from the top.
So anyways, I've got 3 out of the 4 put together, and then the last one's going to be right here, and the plan is to move these logs out of the way, and then there won't be a bed there at all, because we don't have gutters right now, and the way that the water falls, it trenches right there, and we don't want it to trample any and we just don't want it to trample any of the plants. We're gonna do raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, grapes, and we're going to do a arch trellis for the grapes to trellis on. And we're not sure if we're gonna have the trellis go that way yet, or this way, but I think we're gonna have the trellis go that way and have a little walkway straight through there and not have anything planted on that side, and so the grapes have the whole trellis to themselves on this side. And I also have them up a little bit from the driveway because eventually we want to put a fence in, and that's about where it's gonna cut through. Hey buddy, what are you doing? All right, fishy. And then I also spent some time yesterday potting some English ivy for my husband. He really loves ivy, and he hates that his office has no greenery in it, so English ivy. And then I had some lipstick pepper plants from a friend that was in a 6-pack, and I didn't want them to get root bound, so I potted them up, but I'm not ready to put them in the ground yet. And I had some petunias left over from my garden bed in the front, that project. So I got these little planters from the Dollar Tree. Actually, I got all of these planters from the Dollar Tree except for the small ones. The small ones here in between that the peppers are in, those are from Walmart. But all the bigger ones, and those green bigger ones, and the tan ones, and the long rectangle shaped ones are all from the Dollar Tree. Excuse me. So I figured I could have some petunias over here as well. And yeah. Oh, I got mail on the ground. Let me go ahead and show you the front garden bed because I don't know if I've shown it to you since it's been completely done. I decided to put not just petunias but also some herbs in the front bed, and I'm not sure that I showed you what that was. Alright, the bed is just now getting sunlight for the day. It's 12:30-ish, and it's the west side of the house. And so this gets all beaten down by the evening sun. So we've got petunias, and I don't even know what these are, but they were pretty. And my husband was like, look at these purple flowers. And I was like, oh yes, I love purple. So we picked them up. And we've got lemon balm, lemon thyme, Greek oregano, got a rosemary back here, and a lavender right here. I keep trying to grow lavender from seed, and I have the hardest time keeping it alive, so I decided to go ahead and buy one. And then my rosemary from last year did not come back, so I decided to go ahead and buy a new rosemary plant as well, and hopefully it'll thrive in here. I decided to put the lemon balm in here because I knew that it would fill out a little bit, and ideally all of the herbs, at least these two, at least those 4 will come back. The oregano may not make it through the winter. It gets pretty cold here. But hopefully this can just be an overgrown patch of mint family and perennial herbs. I'd rather have it be edible than overgrown with things that can't be eaten. As you can see, my poor apple trees still haven't made it into the ground. That's definitely a project for soon. Hopefully Friday. It's supposed to thunderstorm from Saturday for the 5 days after that. So it has to be done this week, or we'll have to wait another like week and a half to do it. What do you hear, fishy? My tiny ginger tiger. You hear that, doggy? Me too. Come on, baby. Oh, sweet boy. So here are the elderberries that we planted almost 2 weeks ago. They're doing good. They get some good light. They're south facing. They're my big old oak tree.